So I do have this carbon fiber skin now. We're going to take a look at another clear case. And so we can actually compare it with this one also. So this one is the ESR protective phone case. And the thing I like with this one is that I don't know if it's military grade protection, but it has a kickstand. It's like $3 cheaper than the Van Mass, and it includes a kickstand. Although I don't know if it has military grade protection. So nothing much to the box, as you can see. It's just a plain white box. It says on here on the bottom, you can pause that and read it for yourself. On the back, you can pause that, read it for yourself. It's like an address or something. And here you go. You can pause that and read it for yourself. Make life easier. Okay. Cut this plastic. And open it up. See what we get in the box. So we get a ESR prize draw scan code. It says, for help with any issues within 1 business day or extend your warranty to 6 months. So there you go. It's like a registration card or something. And then right here, let's see. It looks like an instruction, a short instruction pamphlet, booklet. Or it tells you how to use the kickstand. And this one is like how to install it, probably. And here is the case. It's protected in styrofoam right here, in an eco plastic bag. So here is the actual clear case itself. Let's compare it to the Van Mass. They look about the same. They have that like micro dot pattern to prevent like that oil slick effect. The Van Mass looks like it has more protection around the corners. They seem to be almost the same thickness. As you can see, cutouts look pretty even. But this has the kickstand right there. My old ESR case, I believe the kickstand had the ESR logo. This one is just plain. So the kickstand pops out like so. But if you want to reorient, you can pop this out and then reorient it to like the other way, which I'll probably do, because that gives me access to the media control buttons, the volume buttons and stuff right there. And what does this say right here? Do not use kickstand without phone in case. So there you go. You know, I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to, but if you guys are curious how to pop this out, let me just show you guys real quick, because someone might ask, how do you pop this out and reorient it? So I'm going to do that for you here. Let's see if I can remember. So you just like, see that? You just push against this and you see it popped out. And then from here, you're just going to take it out, of course. Put it the way you want it, which is this way for me. That way I have access to the media control buttons. I don't know why they don't do this by default, because I mean, it kind of makes sense, right? I mean, you want access to the media buttons when you're watching videos or you have it propped up. So why have the volume control buttons on the bottom when they should be right here at the top? So after you pop it out, you may just make sure you snap it back in. There you go. I don't know if you guys can hear that pop back in. All right. And we're just going to pop the phone into the case. And it seems to be about the same fit as the Van Mass. So it's not the tightest fit, but these are pretty firm here. So I don't know if you have to worry about like lint getting into or the phone popping out of the case if it should take a fall. And yeah, it still has the same look as a Van Mess, as you can see with the carbon fiber skin. So since we're here in the back, you can see there's plenty of lip right there around the camera lens. And there's this, this edge right here, or this raised bump or hump where the kickstand is, will protect the back right here from getting scratches or scuffs when you lay it flat. And of course, the kickstand. So you can always tell where to open it because there's this arrow key right here on the bottom. I don't know if it's showing. See that arrow key right there? That's what we're looking at. Right there, the arrow key. This part, see, pop it out. And there we are for landscape mode. And then it also works, they say, in portrait mode. So, yeah, there it is for portrait mode, as you guys can see. So here in the front, as you can see, there is plenty of lip around all sides of the front of the case to protect your screen should your phone take a tumble and fall flat on its face. And testing out the power button, it works real well. I don't know if you guys can hear the clicking of the button, but it is nice and clicky. Let's test out the volume buttons. Why don't I hear any sound? What's going on? Not sure what's going on, but the volume keys does work. I'm not sure what's going on with my phone. As you guys can see here, they are working and they're very clicky, but just can't hear that volume sound that usually it makes when at least with my V60. Probably it's different with the S21 Ultra. As you guys can see here, volume buttons are nice and responsive and nice and clicky. Okay, so no issues with the buttons. Volume buttons are good to go, and the power button is good to go. And the power button and volume buttons do pop out a little bit from the edges of the case, so you can feel them out. So no issues there. Let's test out the ports and then wireless charging, and that is that. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is regular. This is my regular USB-C cable, and this is the fatter ended. The black one is the fat USB-C cable for fast charging. And so this one first, it's not plugged to any power brick right now, but as you can see, it snaps into place real easily and no issues there. Now we go to the fatter cable, and no issues there also, as you can see. And it says super fast charging is working. So no issues with that port. Speaking of the ports, I'm sorry, we haven't even looked at them properly, right? So right here in the middle, as you can already know, and it's lined up perfectly, is the USB-C port. And right next to the USB-C port, if my phone will focus, is the speaker grills. And they're lined up. Right here on the side, it says ESR Original. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Since 2009, I believe. And up here, your it looks like your little, I don't know what are these microphone holes. They line up properly, so that's good to go. You have these bumper air cushions right there, so that's good. And yeah, so that's that. let's test out wireless charging and then wrap up this video. Okay, so here we are with my Samsung Galaxy 15-watt fast wireless charger. And first things first, default landscape mode. And as you guys can see, that works. And if we zoom in, you can see it says fast wireless charging is working. We can go landscape. Can we go landscape? Yep, landscape mode works. Upside down mode works. And the other landscape mode works. So no issues with wireless charging. So that was our look at this ESR crystal clear protective case with a kickstand. And you can get this on Amazon. I believe at the last time I checked, when I ordered it, it was $14.99 with Amazon Prime shipping. And the Amazon Prime shipping, you know, it depends what day you get it. Certain days it might be one day. Sometimes it may be same day. Sometimes it may be just a regular Prime 2-day free delivery. So it just depends on what day and your luck on when you order it. All in all, it's a good case. I like it. It's going to offer good protection all around, at least as far as slim protective crystal clear cases go. And it's got the added benefit of a kickstand, which you can use in landscape and portrait. The sides, by the way, I did not mention, but they do have good grip. So it's not going to, you don't have to worry about the phone slipping out of your hands. Very good grip. Adds more grip than just the phone itself. And yeah, nothing else to say. The cutouts are precise. No issues with the cutouts. It's got good tactile responsive buttons, and it's not really going to break the bank as far as its price goes. It's in line with most of your, you know, Galaxy S21 Ultra cases. It's not super expensive, and it's a good bang for your buck because of it's got the added benefit of a kickstand. Because, you know, the S21, if you have the big phones like the S21 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, iPhone Pro Max, you know, you want to watch, sometimes you like watching videos on there, and the kickstand is better because you don't have to prop it up against anything, or you're holding it while you're watching a video, right? So that is it. If you guys got any value or you've been informed and entertained, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.